What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I'm back with another video. Android 10 is amongst us. Here's my Pixel 3a XL, and this is the Pixel 3. Now, for some reason, the Pixel 3 just has not pulled down the Android 10 update, and I find that strange. I know this update is going out in waves, and by IMEIs, and I'm pretty sure they're pushing it out a certain way, but I thought about it. I said, what if they're pushing it to the 3A devices first because there are more of them? Who knows? Because this is a really affordable device, so this could be a way to get people to push to get more sales towards this device, because it is technically their latest device, one of two. So anyway, you see what you're getting here, folks. You're not getting much. You're just getting the dark mode, dark theme, navigate your phone with gestures, additional controls and privacy locations, quick actions and replies and notifications. And that's pretty much it, man. This is what they're putting out there. This is almost 1.2 gigs. So we'll do this install, and we'll get it all set up. But I'm kind of surprised that my Pixel 3 has not gotten it yet. So if you have a Pixel 3 and you got the OTA, not side loading or anything else, you got the OTA directly from Google like I did on the Pixel 3, let me know if it's a 3 or a 3 XL. I'd love to see how many people actually are getting it on the Pixel 3 and the 3 XL. Funny story though. This is kind of strange. These were sitting on the desk, right? And the Pixel 3a was at 80% and this was at 35%. So I said, let me charge these up, right? So I plugged them both in. As soon as I plugged them in, this phone got the update. It literally refreshed and boom, and popped up. This one, however, it's late in the evening now. Now this was actually earlier in the day. This was, I don't know, whatever time I sent those tweets out or whatever, I sent them out on Instagram. 5 hours ago at least, you know what I'm saying? So 5-6 hours ago, I just left and take care of business and come back, boom, and it's still, they're both charged and it's still not getting it. So we're gonna go ahead and install the Android 10 update on the Pixel 3 XL, and we'll take a look through the operating system real quick. I've never had any experience with Android 10. I did install Q, because I did beta Q, Android Q, but they've switched to the numbers now, so that's fine with me. But I was having some issues with that beta, so I uninstalled it and went back to Pi. So we'll get this installed. I won't make you wait and look at all this slow process. But here it is. It's still not available on my Pixel 3, and I'll just keep trying tomorrow, I guess, on there. So, I don't know why it paused, but here we are. We're going to get this installed, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, so here we are with Android 10 running on the 3a XL. Pixel 3, still no update. So I started this video actually hours ago, and I decided to go ahead and record some footage, do some other things. And I ended up coming back to this here. It's 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. And so we are in another day. It's past 12 a.m. It's 12:02. So we are on now the 4th in Android 10. It didn't take that long. I just did other things. So we are now on the September 5th security patch, and today's actually the 4th. So yeah. So we scroll down here, and you can see the menu here is pretty much still the same. But you got an option for dark theme now, so you can get to it by going this way, and then when you swipe up, you're in your dark theme. You go to settings, or you can go swipe down with that icon up there. If it's not already there, you can come in here and add dark theme to the switch on dark theme. Now, as far as gestures go, remember that was another thing that we could do. We can navigate our phone with gestures. Here is the gestures here, and you've got system navigation. Now the 3-button version is the old way, the old school way, down here with the 3 buttons. I actually like that way. I've been using 2-button for quite some time now, but you got this new way here to switch between services. Here to go home, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. To switch apps, swipe from the bottom and hold, and then release. To go back, swipe from either left or right. There you go. You can increase the sensitivity there. So you want to switch items like that. You want to go back or forward like that, or like that. and that is how it's done. Android 10 is really nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. There's not much. I don't think that I can go into too much detail about Android 10. The performance is where I'm going to show you later on down the line if Android 10 is making this phone perform very well. This phone definitely has a lot going for it because it's getting an update before the big brother. That's strange to me. I don't understand it. I don't understand how this phone is getting the update before the big brother. That's weird. Yeah, it's weird, but it in fact is, and that is where we are. So Android 10 running with the dark theme that everybody was looking for. Really, really solid, man. The phone was already fast. And let's see how it actually does. How you guys feel about this new way to navigate like this? You know, if you want to go home, let's go into Twitter. Swipe up. Instagram, swipe up is how you go home. I like this navigation, this way of navigating. You see the little icons pop up at the bottom side of the screen. There's little icons that popped up, little arrows pop up down there. So if you want to go back and forwards, you go like that. That's how you go back and forwards, swiping on either side of the screen. But yeah, there you have it, folks, man. Real quick, real brief, nothing fancy in this video. I'll follow up later with information on performance, because I know that's really what you guys are worried about, or interested in, I should say, not worried. But let's pop open the camera real quick and see if there's anything new. I would love to see some 60 frames per second recording, but unfortunately not happening. So yeah, you've got the night sight, you've got the portrait, you got the camera, you got the video. Yeah, they are not giving much, but they're giving us a good phone. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick installation of the latest version of Android 10 onto the Pixel 3a XL. OTA. Take care.